Workshop Planning and Management course. This course involves competencies and skills that the trainees are required to acquire in order to perform planning and management in a workshop of any training institution. The competencies and the skills that the trainees is required to acquire includes: number one, safety in a workshop. Number two, design a workshop layout. Number three, implement the layout of a workshop that is designed. And number four, perform maintenance in a workshop. And number five, procurement of tools, equipment, and materials in a workshop. And number six, control of the tools and the equipment that have been acquired. Now, as far as workshop safety is required, the performance standards includes use of tools and equipment. It also involves performing the safety procedure in the case of an accident using the standard operating procedures. And number three, adhering to the workshop safety rules in order to avoid any accident as per the standard operating procedures. Workshop layout design. The performance standards includes designing a workshop layout as per the building standards, then designing the working and training areas, designing the equipment areas, and designing the storage areas where tools and equipment will be stored. And then we have implementation of the workshop design. The performance standards includes now implementing the working area, that is the dimensions, implementing the training area where the benches for the training will be put, where the equipment will be put, designing even of the walls, designing also of the windows, because the windows requires to bring in enough light, and also designing the washing areas and the changing areas in a workshop, and this is as per the standard operating procedures. Workshop maintenance. The performance standards includes identify tools and equipment used in maintenance, prepare maintenance checklist, prepare maintenance schedule, and then prepare the maintenance report on all the maintenance that has been carried out. Procurement of training materials, tools, and equipment. The performance standards includes preparing of tools and equipment budget, then following the procurement procedure of tools and equipment, and then applying the record keeping of tools and equipment. And then we go to tools and equipment control techniques. The performance standards includes the preparation of tools and equipment in inventory, then maintaining the inventory of the tools and equipment, and applying all the records that are kept in a workshop. That includes the records of tools, the record of equipments, and also the records of the maintenance that has been performed. Thank you very much. Welcome and enjoy the workshop planning and management course. Thank you very much.